Hello, I show you how to make honeycomb cake today. Alright, we're gonna start by making our coconut mixture. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of coconut milk, or half of this can. This would be the most important ingredient, a tablespoon of pandan extract. I also add a tablespoon of vanilla extract for more flavor. Now we put in the fridge to chill. Grab some eggs. Not you, get out of here. What the heck? Alright, we need 6 eggs. Mix them together, but don't overbeat them because we're going to do that later. Time for the dry ingredient. You need some tapioca starch or flour. You can find this at Kroger or Walmart. You need 2 cups. This is a single acting baking soda. If you can't find this at the store, you have to make your own. It's 2 part cream of tartar, 1 part baking soda, and you just need 2 tablespoons. Now it's time to add our coconut pandan mixture to the eggs and stir. Okay guys, now we just combine everything together, and I'm going to use my hand mixer and just mix this all up until it becomes like a pancake batter mixture. This is a good consistency right here. Just make sure there's no clumps. You can use a non-stick spray, but I like to use coconut oil to cover my pan. Make sure you use a sieve here so you can get rid of all the clumps, so your cake can rise evenly. I don't know. Here's the worst part. You have to bake this for 55 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna go play Dota. thanks for watching, guys. This is my recipe. If you guys need help, just holla